Hello everybody, welcome back. So today we will be discussing about how to add songs to Instagram bio. This is going to be a step-by-step process. Make sure to stick till the end of this video so you don't miss a single step. Now, jumping onto the platform or Instagram, you can see, let's say this is your profile, right? Now, what you're gonna do is first, you need to simply head over to your edit profile section from your main bio editing. You can see once you're on your profile, you have this edit profile, so click on that. Eventually you will be able to see your bio information in here. If you scroll a little bit down, you will be able to see music in here. Tap on the plus icon, and then you're going to be simply, once you click on music, you have this plus icon that you need to be clicking on. Select the music that you want to appear onto your bio, and then you're going to be selecting the part of that music, so simply crop that out. Click on this check mark on the top right side of your screen that should be visible there. Eventually you will be able to see it with the play icon on your Instagram profile. So that's how easily you can add song to Instagram bio, and I hope this video was helpful. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing to our channel, guys. Stay tuned and see you in the next one.